Hi, for my IM2 Semester 2 Chapter 1 homework assignment, I'm supposed to explain these 6 different types of shapes and their similarities to one another. The first shape I will explain is the parallelogram. It's a quadrilateral where both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and they're also equal in length. The opposite angles are congruent and the diagonals do eventually bisect each other. However, the angles are not necessarily right angles, which is unlike the next type of parallelogram and shape which I'm going to discuss, the rectangle. The rectangle is a type of parallelogram that has 4 right angles, which are 90 degrees each. And the opposite sides are equal to each other and parallel, as you can see with the markings. And the diagonals are equal in length, and they do bisect each other right here. The next type of shape which I have to explain is the square. The square is a special type of rectangle and rhombus. It's a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. The diagonals are equal and they bisect each other and they intersect at 90 degrees. This shape is highly symmetrical because, well, all the sides are equal and all the angles and the opposite angles are equal to each other as well. The next shape is the kite. It's a quadrilateral with two pairs of adjacent sides that are equal in length and 1 pair of opposite angles that are equal. The diagonals intersect at a right angle, and 1 diagonal bisects the other. The trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly 1 pair of parallel sides called bases. And the non-parallel sides are called legs, which may or may not be equal. In an isosceles trapezoid, which I assume is what I drew here, the legs are equal and the base angles are also congruent to each other. The last shape I'm going to discuss is the rhombus. It's a parallelogram where all 4 sides are of equal length, and the angles are not necessarily 90 degrees. The diagonals bisect each other and form a right angle right here, and are axes of symmetry, but they are not equal in length. These shapes are very different from each other, but they do share many similarities. For example, a square is similar to a rectangle because they both have 4 right angles and opposite sides that are parallel to each other, that are parallel and equal to each other. A rhombus is similar to a parallelogram because both have opposite sides that are parallel, and angles that are also equal to each other. But a rhombus has all sides equal in length, like a square. A square is similar to a parallelogram because both have opposite sides that are equal to each other and opposite angles that are equal to each other. A square is also similar to a kite because both have pairs of adjacent angles that are equal to each other and diagonals that do intersect. And lastly, a rectangle is similar to a parallelogram because both have opposite sides that are equal to each other and diagonals that intersect. Thank you.